Good morning students. Today we will study class 5th chapter number 8, revision of chapter number 8 Microsoft Excel practically. In last we have discussed this chapter as a verbally. Now we will discuss this chapter practically. The chapter name is your Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is your Excel sheet which you can see opening here Microsoft Excel. This is your Excel sheet. Okay, this is your Excel sheet. After that there are, this one is at the upper, you can see here this upper side is your quick access toolbar. These all are known as your quick access toolbar. This red one is your title bar. After that where it is written here file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review and view. These all are known as your ribbon. This is your name box A1, and where the cursor is here, suppose this black one is your active cell and these are numbering are your row number, and this is your working area. Here you can see sheet 1 and sheet 2 is your sheet tabs. After that this ready is your status bar, and this one will help you to insert a worksheet, and these all are A B C D E F G H. These all are columns here. This is your vertically row, this one, and this is your horizontal. Okay, this is your vertical. After that your horizontal. Then now we will the Excel sheet. What is your Excel sheet? This is an example. This is your example of manually worksheet. When the worksheet is prepared on the computer using the special software, they are called spreadsheet. When you prepare any worksheet here, you can this is known as your spreadsheet. And Dan Barklin is called the father of electronic spreadsheet. I am writing here name, you can see Dan Barklin. Okay, the name is your Dan Barklin, DANBRICKLIN, Dan Barklin. See here it is the name, you can see here Dan Barklin is called the father of your electronic spreadsheet. And in year 1978, he came up the idea of an interactive visible calculator. Barklin left and Bob Frankshot Wright. Okay, the main father of your your Excel is your Dan Barklin. I have write the name also. Now if you want to do any work in your worksheet, okay, if you are working, mainly the worksheet is helpful in making the making the spreadsheets. Okay, the the spreadsheet. First of all we will discuss about your title bar. What is your title bar? I have told you the title bar is above. Okay, this one is your title bar where it is written book 1 Microsoft Excel. This is your title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the window. It shows the name of workbook. It has 3 buttons: minimize, restore and maximize. And where are all these buttons? These all buttons are, this is your minimize, maximize, and this is your close button. Close, minimize, maximize and your minimize. When you do this it will be your minimize screen. Okay, this is your a title bar has 3 buttons: minimize, maximize and your close. Now we will talk about your ribbon. The ribbon is the strip of tab and various option located above. Work area, some of the tab are file, home, view. Okay, some of the ribbon are file, home, view, review, data, formula, page layout, insert. These all are in your ribbon. After that, name box. The name box display the name of your active cell. This is your active cell and here it is active. Now here it is written A from here and 1 from here. When you go, this means A2, means A3. After that B1, B2, B3, then C1, C2, C3. You can see the name is changing when I click on any sheet. Suppose that I have clicked here H, means H1. This is your active cell and this is your name box. Okay, whatever name you want to write here you can write. Now the next one is your active cell. We always enter data in active cell. Different cell can made active by clicking on them. Now where the this one bold rectangular line, you can see this is your active cell at present. You can write any data here. Okay, you can write any data here. This is your active cell. If you want to write here, you have to click here. Okay, if right here, you have to click here. Means you can only write a data when your cell is active. The active cell has a black outline. The highlighted boundary on active cell is called your cell pointer. जो आपकी highlighted boundaries होती हैं, ये आपके cell pointer है. Okay, this is your cell pointer. Now sheet tab. What is your sheet tab? Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. This is your sheet tab. By default there are 3 worksheets: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, after that in Excel file you can add more worksheet by clicking on insert worksheet. By clicking on insert worksheet you can add more worksheet. This is your clicking on insert. When you click here, it is your sheet 4, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. More than you can do by clicking on more sheet. You can use here any sheet from here. Okay, you can add more sheets. Each worksheet can be opened by clicking on the tab of that sheet. Suppose we have opened here sheet 1 here. I have write here name. Then in sheet 2 it is your written here, suppose back. In sheet 3 it is written here front. Now you can see, just now we are working with sheet 3. In sheet 2 we have written back, and in sheet 1 we have written Wimble. Okay, now sheet tab. After that your status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the window. What is your status bar? This is your status bar and it is located at the bottom of the window. It shows the different view option. What is the status bar? Shows the different view option from the workbook. It also has a zoom slider. There is also a zoom slider. You can see here, this is your zoom slider where my mouse is working. This is your zoom slider. After that your quick access toolbar. What is your quick access toolbar? The quick access toolbar allows you to access the commonly used command easily. Okay, when you are using your commonly used command in quick access toolbar, when you are using any command, okay, this is your quick access toolbar. This upper one is your quick access toolbar, right? This is your quick access toolbar. One by one you can use it. After that this is your quick access toolbar, or allows you to access the commonly used command easily. When you are using the commonly used command, it can access. Now we will discuss the next in our next class, next topic which is left in this chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.